It's hot. Where's everybody? Oh. Hey, what is up, you guys? It's been a really long day. It's Thursday now. It's Thursday night. So tomorrow I'm actually heading back to my hometown for a celebration. So this is actually what I got. Let me open it one-handed real quick. And I did get a new haircut, so hopefully you guys do like it. I'm really sweaty right now. I've been out for a while. I just got back from the gym. So I got this bad boy right here. This will allow me to record with my phone because my DSLR, you guys kind of see it. It's just really heavy, so I'm gonna go ahead and attach this. Alright guys, I do apologize about the lighting. It's really dark right now, so the lighting might be pretty bad, but this is how it's gonna look like. You guys can kind of see my Joby stick right here. Front camera does do 4K. Obviously my front facing camera does 1080p. The autofocus is also a lot faster on the phone. With that being said guys, I will be listing the details in the description below. I got it from Amazon. It was about $8 and the quality seems to be fine for $8. I kind of want to show you guys a little bit more about what I'm doing right now. I'm actually back on my diet. So this is the scale I got. E-Tech City. I got it from Amazon too. It was about $12 I believe. This is my meal prep right here. Out of all this stuff, this is mine, and then these two are mine. I don't really have much stuff in the fridge. If you're really trying to lose weight, I would recommend getting a food scale. It's probably one of the best investments I've made. What is going on, you guys? I'm actually heading back to Hickory. I'll try my best to get some more footage for you guys. Oh yeah, it is your daddy's birthday. Okay, sing happy birthday. What is going on, you guys? First of all, I want to say happy Father's Day. Today is the 17th of June, which is a Sunday also. So today I got something a little bit different for you guys. I'm actually going to be restoring my dad's car right here. It's a 2003 Mitsubitshi Montero. If any of you guys are into the Montero series, they were known to be very reliable. Fortunately, we weren't really lucky. This Montero broke down a lot, but we were able to kind of get it fixed, and hopefully everything works out. Hopefully I can provide you guys some before and after for the SUV, and hopefully you guys do enjoy this video, and I'll keep you guys up to date. So just a little bit more information about the car itself. So this was actually my dad's dream car when he was younger. I do remember him telling us that he really wanted the car. Obviously a few years later he was able to get it. That's why I want to restore this car, just because I know that he probably loves this car much more than I do. It's already looking so much better, guys. I'm so excited to see how it's gonna look like when it's finished, but the sun is running out and I gotta keep it going. Hey, what is up, you guys? So I just finished washing the car. What I'm gonna do next is I'm going to be applying some clay. I'm doing a clay job on the car. I promise you guys it's gonna look great. Alright guys, so for those that don't know the power of claying, hopefully you guys can kind of see it, but it's some kind of paint transfer that I'm cutting off over the clay bar. Check that out. That's the awesome power of claying your car. So at least once a year, I do recommend you guys claying your car. It's gonna make your car look so much better. What I'm afraid is after this, I don't believe there's going to be daylight left for me to kind of show you guys. I'll try my best. If not, I'll show you guys tomorrow morning.